What's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share how to make $300 per day on Clickbank for free without a website. Now, this method is copy paste, as you'll see in a second, and takes just 15 minutes a day. So if you're working a job, maybe two jobs, you have a large family, you're going to be able to spend just 15 minutes a day and start to rake in some commissions from Clickbank. Now, you can do this from anywhere in the world with no previous experience or tech skills. This is incredibly easy. And again, it's totally copy paste. And you don't need to spend any money or need a website at all. Again, as you'll see a little bit later in this video, you can do this totally for free and totally without a website. Now, be sure to stay until the very end of the video though, because you're going to discover a secret software to scale this method to the moon and rake in money very, very easily. And stay tuned because you do not want to miss this.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Okay, so I have the easy steps on this method on the screen right now. And what I'm going to do is just reveal them step by step. So if you're watching this video, you want to follow along, you're going to be able to do that very easily. Okay, so the very first step with this method is we want to go to clickbank.com and then go into the marketplace. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Clickbank yet, it's very, very simple. You just go to clickbank.com, go to sign up. Okay, and then you just fill out your information right here very, very easily. And again, this is totally free. But once you do that, you click join Clickbank and now you have an account. Okay, so then you want to log in. And once you're inside Clickbank, we want to go to the top and click marketplace. Okay, now this is going to take us to this marketplace right here, which has different categories of products. You can see it has business and marketing, health and fitness, self-help. Okay, a lot of different types of categories that we can find products to promote. But we want to find a specific type of product. And I'm going to share exactly how to find the right product so you can make at least $300 a day on Clickbank. Okay, so if I go back to this page and I undo this step, okay, now what we want to do is go into a niche and sort results by gravity. Okay, so let me do that first. Okay, so if I go back here, now it doesn't matter what category you actually choose. Okay, you could choose, business and marketing, health and fitness. Okay, but let me look for self-help. And what I want to do is sort results by gravity, okay? Because what this is going to do is you can see the gravity score here. Gravity is basically an average of how many affiliates last week were able to make a sale. The higher the gravity score, the easier it is to sell this product, which is going to be crucial for this method, as you'll see in a little bit in this video. So basically, this is one of the top gravity scores. Okay, this is the second top. So we want to look at some of the top ones, okay? Now it says, then look for a product at the top that has articles in their promotion resources. Okay, so how do we find if this product has articles? Okay, so we just want to choose one. And then where it says affiliate page, okay, we want to open up that in a new tab. And what we want to do is we want to look at these up here, okay, and we want to look for articles, right? Because what this page does is it gives you resources to promote this product. Okay, so you can see right here, affiliate promotion tools, email swipes, okay, landing pages, high converting pre-sale articles. Okay, so that could work, right? So we want to look for articles. So if I go to the top, I can go to text and HTML reports. Okay, so a lot of these products on Clickbank, to access the resources, you have to put in your email. Okay, so I just did there, get started. Okay, so basically now we want to look for these articles. Okay, so again, you can just kind of search over, okay, articles, boom. Article landing, custom PDF, extra content. Okay, so let's do article and landers. So, okay, this one's requiring you to download, which is totally fine. Okay, so if I open this up, when it downloads, I'll be able to access tons of articles. Now that we've downloaded this, okay, I can just open these up and now these are the different articles. Okay, so it's going to open into a new tab. So this is an article right here. And again, all you have to do is just go to the affiliate page of one of the products on Clickbank with a good gravity score and then find one of these articles, because this is going to be crucial again for this copy paste easy method. So now what we want to do, okay, is the next step. What we want to do is we want to go to a website called invideo.io, and we want to get a free 7-day trial. Okay. Then we want to choose the template and paste in one of the articles. I'll share that in a second. So this website right here, okay, is going to look like this, invideo.io. Okay, I'll include a link directly below. Now, I'm not an affiliate with this. Okay, I don't earn any money from this. And this is totally free. They do have a paid method, but you can do this method with just the free plan. Okay, so what you want to do once you're on this page is you want to sign up. Okay, or you can click here, try now. You can sign up with Google, you can create an account, etc. Now, I've already done this. Okay, I've created a free account, and you can see right here that this is my account. Okay, I'm in my back office, free plan. Okay, now this is going to work again, totally for free. Now, if I go back here, again, it says, then choose a template and paste in one of the articles. Okay, so if I go here, I can go to create. Okay, and they have different templates. They have the pre-made templates, text to video. We want to choose the text to video. Okay, you want to choose wide. Okay, make sure you choose wide. This is very important, as you'll see in a second. And then you can choose any of these templates. Now, which template's better? It doesn't really matter, right? That's the beautiful thing about this method. So, I mean, I can choose, let's say this one. Use this template, right? So now for the headline, it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can type in, the product name that you're promoting. Okay, so for me, it is his secret obsession. Okay, so if I go here, his secret obsession, and then now right here, the ad story. Now what we want to do is we want to paste in that article. Okay, so if I go to this page right here, I want to copy this article. Okay. Now you can copy the entire thing actually like this, right? Now what I recommend you do is you open a notepad and you paste it in there because that's going to remove the photos. We don't want photos, as you'll see why in a second. Okay, so now we just copy this. Okay, very simple. We go back here, we paste it into add story. Okay, script under 30 sentences. Okay, so it's telling me that this is a little bit long. So what I can do is I can just, erase some of these. Boom. Okay, now we want to make sure we go through and we just want to make it, natural paragraphs, okay? Because what this software is going to do is it's literally going to take these paragraphs, it's going to figure out what we're talking about, and it's going to create a video based on this article, okay, with literally a click of a button for free. And I'll share what I mean in a second. So again, we just want to go through, takes, just a few minutes, boom, okay, now it's maybe this one too, bam, okay. And you can spend a little bit more time, but literally, you don't need to. Now it's going to auto suggest images and videos. Okay, so check this out. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, so do you want us to rearrange it for you? Rearrange text. It will even do that for you. Okay, next. So now it's loading your article, the article that we just found from the affiliate page. And what it's going to do is create a video, and it's going to even know what we're saying and create images that correspond with that piece of text. Okay, so we're going to be able to create these done for us content that we're going to be able to use to drive massive traffic to our affiliate links, as you'll see in a second. Okay, so now once it's done, it literally is taking, okay, these words and it's basically going to be putting them to images. Okay, so I can go to preview all. Okay, you can see that it's loading right here, right? His secret obsession. And it's basically going to just go through, okay, and it literally starts putting the words, okay, into this video. And you can see the different scenes, right? Have you ever felt attracted to a guy? Okay, it shows this. You can see right here, how can you fall in love even though your conscious mind resists it? Okay, and it actually has an image of people falling in love. Okay, so this is incredibly powerful. And again, it does all the work for you. You just take an article from a good selling product, you paste it into this free software, and it starts to spit out these done for us videos for content that we can use to make tons of money. So once we're done with that, once it loads, okay, this is a 5-minute and 22-second video, we just go to the top right, click download and share. Okay, and what it's going to do, we can choose, 720, that's fine, it's a little bit faster. And it's going to load, and what it's going to start doing is rendering. Okay, so if I go back here, Okay, you can see this step, right? Wait until the video renders and download it to your computer. So again, it's loading right here, and this is just going to take a few minutes, right? So let me wait a few seconds. Okay, so once it's done loading, basically on the bottom left, you'll be able to see the progress, okay? Now this is rendering. It just takes a few minutes. It's going to go to 100%, and then once it goes to 100%, this button will be available, and we can actually click that and download to our computer, okay? Now, once we do that, once we have the video, okay, that we just literally created with a click of a button in a few minutes to our computer, now what we want to do is the next step. And there's just 2 more easy steps. So we just go here, we undo it there. We're going to upload the video to YouTube with good keywords to rank and get traffic, okay? So again, you don't have to put your face out there. You don't even have to create your own videos, but we can use YouTube, okay, which is a massive search engine, to get targeted traffic on autopilot just using this method. So we can go to the top, hit create, upload video, okay, and we just want to choose the video that we downloaded to our computer. So let me do that now. Okay, so you can see right here, right? So now what we want to do is we want to title the video a keyword that someone searching for solutions that our product solves would be searching for. So if I go back to Clickbank, okay, his secret obsession. So if I go to, okay, the affiliate page, it's going to explain a little bit about what this product is. Okay, so it says commission structure. What is his secret obsession? His secret obsession is a breakthrough program. It shows women how to tap into a desire. Okay, so basically it looks like it's teaching women how to get men obsessed with them. Now, if I go to YouTube, how do we find keywords? We just go to the top right here, and you just want to type a few words that what your product has to do with, okay? So for me, it's basically how to get men obsessed, okay? So I can type that in, how to get a man obsessed. Okay, boom, with you, okay? So these are keywords YouTube is sharing that real people are typing in, okay? So this is related to our product, and we can title our video one of these keywords, and then it's going to start ranking for these keywords. So how to get a man obsessed with you. Now, I recommend you choose keywords that have at least 4 words, okay? So the longer it is, the easier it is to rank because there's less competition. So I can just open this up, right? How to make a man obsessed with you, how to get a man obsessed with you. Very similar, right? So I can copy this. I can go back to YouTube, and I want to title my video that exact keyword. Now, I recommend you make, okay, the first letter of each word capitalized, okay, like this. Then you can actually, write a good description, adding, this keyword in there a few times. And then what we want to do, okay, is we want to go back here. And the last step is, this is very important. This is how we're going to be making $300 a day. We want to put our affiliate link in the description of our video with a call to action. So to get our affiliate link, we go back to Clickbank, click promote, generate hop links, copy this link right here. This is our affiliate link. And then what we can do is go here, okay, give a call to action. So you can say something like, if you want to discover the top way to, and then right here, you just want to insert the keyword, right? The top way to get a man obsessed with you. Check out this now. Okay, check this out now. And then basically put in our affiliate link. Now we can also go to a site called bit.ly, okay, .com, and we can actually mask our affiliate link if we want. So I can go to create, paste that in, create, okay, and now I can just copy this little link, and this is going to redirect to our affiliate link, okay, so that will make it look a little bit better. And then I can just hit next, and I can post this. And again, when people start typing in this keyword, our video starts showing up here. They'll watch the content that we didn't even have to create that has to do with information about our product, and then they'll see the call to action, they'll click the link in our description, and we'll start to make tons and tons of money. So there we have it, my friend. I hope you got a tremendous amount of value in this simple step-by-step method. If you did and you want me to make more, click the like button below. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step videos. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 way to do affiliate marketing and make up to $1,000 a day, even on autopilot, click the first link below and check that free overview video out right now. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.